To effectively utilize invideo AI for creating professional quality videos, follow the step-by-step guide below. 1. Sign up. Visit the invideo AI website and click on Sign Up to create an account. You can register using your email, Google, or Apple ID. 2. Generate a video. After logging in, you'll be prompted to enter a text prompt detailing the video's content. Be specific to help the AI generate accurate results. For example, create a 2-minute video on how AI is transforming digital marketing. 3. Customization. Review the generated video and make necessary adjustments. InVideo AI allows you to edit scripts, change visuals, add voiceovers, and incorporate background music. 4. Export. Once satisfied, export your video. Note that the free plan includes watermarked content, while paid plans offer additional features and watermark-free exports. For a visual demonstration, consider watching this comprehensive tutorial. InVideo AI. Full tutorial. 2024. Best AI Video Generator. By following these steps, you can efficiently create professional quality videos using InVideo AI. Click on the description below the video for more details.